morning. In this lecture, we learn about rationalization process. What is rationalization? Now, rationalization. If the denominator of an expression contains a number under a radical sign, then the process of converting it into an equivalent expression whose denominator is a rational number is called rationalizing the denominator. We have given the numbers whose denominator is irrational number. Then we make its denominator convert into rational number. For this process, we multiply the denominator by rationalizing factor. How we rationalize the denominator? First, we note the process of rationalization. Which process is called the rationalization? If the denominator of expressions contains a number under a radical sign whose denominator is under a radical sign, then the process of converting it into an equivalent expression whose denominator is a rational number is called the rationalizing the denominator. Now again, if the denominator of an expression contains a number under a radical sign, its denominator contains a number under a radical sign, then the process of converting it into an equivalent expression whose denominator is a rational number, we convert denominator into rational number is called rationalizing the denominator. To rationalize the denominator of 1 upon root a plus b, here root a, this sign is radical sign. We convert its denominator into rationalized number, then we multiply this by root a minus b upon root a minus b, which is value is 1. Therefore, it is multiplied by 1. It is the same number when a and b are integers. We take some examples about rationalization, then you understand these sums. Example number 17. Rationalizing the denominator of 1 upon root 2. Here number is 1 upon root 2. Now, what is denominator? Denominator is root 2. It is a radical sign. Therefore, we convert denominator into rational number. Then 1 upon root 2. What is rationalizing factor of this number? Here it's multiplied by root 2 upon root 2. Then our expression convert into rational, its denominator convert into rational number, and it is a equivalent for this number. 1 upon root 2 multiply root 2 by root 2 is equals to 1. Therefore, 1 upon root 2 multiply 1. Answer question is over here. 1 upon root 2 is equals to 1 root 2 is root 2 and root 2 into root 2, then 2. Our denominator becomes rational number. Therefore, this process is called rationalizing process. Rationalize the denominator. As some example, 1 upon 7 root 7. Here number is, suppose some example, 1 upon 7 root 7. We rationalize the denominator 7 root 7. Multiply. Here only this number is rational number, this number irrational number. Therefore, we multiply root 7 by root 7. Therefore, root 7 ones are root 7 upon 7 into root 7 is equal to root 7 upon 49. Here, this is our rational denominator. This denominator is rational number. Example number 18. Rationalize the denominator of 1 upon 2 plus root 3. Now the number is 1 upon 2 plus root 3. We rationalize its denominator 2 plus root 3. Here our question is 1 upon 2 plus root 3 equals to 1 upon 2 plus root 3. Denominator 2 plus root 3 is an irrational number, is an irrational number. Therefore, it's convert into rational number. How we convert it into rational number? We convert this number multiplied by its conjugate number. What is conjugate number? It is new word for you. 1 upon 2 plus root 3. If the denominator is, its sign is 2 plus root 3, then it is multiplied by 2 minus root 3. It is its conjugate number. Now, what is its rationalized factor? The 1, then 1 upon 2 minus root 3. 1 upon 2 plus root 3 multiply 2 minus root 3, 2 minus root 3. Here our multiplication is as it becomes equivalent for this number is equal to 2 minus root 3. Now multiplication of denominator 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. Here which type of this number? A plus B, A minus B. Then we write 2 minus root 3. A plus B, A minus B becomes A square minus B square. Now we write 2 minus root 3 upon 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3 is equal to 2 minus root 3, 2 square, that means 4 minus root 3 square is equal to 3. Our answer which becomes 2 minus root 3, 4 minus 3 is equal to 1 is equal to 2 minus root 3, which is our answer. Again, 1 upon 2 plus root 3. It is multiplied. Here denominator is 2 plus root 3. We convert denominator into rational number. Therefore, it is multiplied by 2 plus root 3. Then we multiply 2 minus root 3 upon 2 minus root 3. 2 minus root 3 upon 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. Now 2 plus root 3 and into 2 minus root 3. This which type of this number? A plus B into A minus B. Therefore, its expands is A square minus B square. Now it is written as 2 square minus root 3 square. Here 2 square is equal to 4 minus root 3 square is equal to 3. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. 1 is our rational number. Therefore, the number is 2 minus root. Now, example number 19. Rationalize the denominator of 5 upon root 3 minus root 5. Here our denominator is root 3 minus root 5, which is an irrational number. Now, we convert the denominator into rational number. Therefore, this process is called rationalize the denominator. How we convert it into First we write our number 5 upon root 3 minus root 5. We multiply this number by root 3 minus root 5. Here the denominator is root 3 minus root 5. Then we multiply numerator and denominator both root 3 plus root 5. Root 3 plus root 5. Then our fraction becomes equivalent for this number. Root 3 minus root 5 multiply. Its conjugate number like this minus, then we multiply plus. Plus, then we multiply by minus. Therefore, it is using our identity a minus b, a plus b. Root 3 plus root 5 upon root 3 plus root 5. If simplify, then our answer question is same. It is multiplied by root 3 plus root 5, root 3 plus root 5. Here, multiplication. 5 into root 3 plus root 5 upon, now into bracket, root 3 minus root 5, root 3 plus root 5. Which identity? A minus b, a plus b. Then we multiply a minus b, a plus b. Its identity is a square minus b square. Now this number is 5 into root 3 plus root 5 upon root 3 square, a square minus b square. Root 3 square minus root 5 square equals to 5 into root 3 plus root 5 upon root 3 square. What is root 3 square? 3 minus root 5 square. What is root 5 square? It is 5 equals to 5 into root 3 plus root 5 upon 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5 is equals to minus 2. Then we can write like this, minus 5 upon 2 into root 3 plus root 5 minus 5 by 2 into root 3 plus root 5, or like this, minus 5 by 2 into root 3 plus root 5. This answer is also valid, this valid. Okay, now again the number is 5 upon root 3 minus root 5. Then multiply this number multiplied by root 3 plus root 5 upon root 3 plus root 5. We rationalize the denominator. Our denominator is root 3 minus root 5. Then multiply root 3 plus root 5. Easy. This number is easy. Minus, then we write here plus. Suppose here my plus, then we write here minus. Then both numbers disease. 5 into numerator root 3 plus root 5. Multiplication of both numbers, root 3 minus root 5, root 3 plus root 5. A minus b, a plus b, then it becomes a square minus b square. Our identity 3 minus 5, then answer minus 2. We can write minus 5 by 2, root 3 plus root 5, or in bracket as you like. Now example number 20. Rationalize the denominator of 1 upon 7 plus 3 root 2. Our number is 1 upon 7 plus 3 root 2. Now we convert our number denominator, convert into rational number. Here is a irrational number. This 7 is rational and this irrational number. Rational add irrational number is adding in rational number, then it becomes irrational number. Therefore, clearly this number is irrational number. Now we convert it into rational number. Therefore, 1 upon 7 plus 3 root 2. Which number multiplied by this number? Students, which number is multiplied by this number? Then we multiply as 7. Here number is plus. Then we write 7 minus 3 root 2 upon 7 minus 3 root 2. Now, this number, in this number, which number is greater number? 7 plus 3 root 2. 7 square is equals to 49. 3 root 2 square is 9 2 is 18. Now, we multiply 1 into 7 minus 3 root 2 upon 7 plus 3 root 2 into 7 minus 3 root 2. Multiplication of this number, 1 into this number is 7 minus 3 root 2. A plus B, A minus B, using our identity, A square minus B square. 7 square minus 3 root 2 square equals to 7 minus 3 root 2 upon. What is the 7 square? 7 square is equals to 49 minus 3 square is equals to 9. Root 2 square is number is 2. It is written as equals to 7 minus 3 root 2 upon 49 minus 9 to the 49 minus 8 equals to 7 minus 3 root 2 upon 31. Then our answer is written as 7 minus 3 root 2 upon 31. This is our answer. Now again, 1 upon 7 plus 3 root 2. Our question is this. Now convert denominator into rational number. Therefore, it is multiplied by its conjugate number 7 plus. Then we write 7 minus 3 root 2 upon 7 minus 3 root 2. 1 into 7 minus 3 root 2 is equals to 7 minus 3 root 2. Here 7 square minus 3 root 2 square. What is 7 square? 49. Then we square of both numbers minus root 3 square is 9. Root 2 square is 2. 49 minus, simplify this number, 49 minus 9 to 18 and 49 minus 18, 31. It is our answer. Now we start exercise 1.5. Question number 5. First we learn question number 5 after question number 1, 2. Now, this method is, question number 5's method. Question is, rationalize the denominators of the following. In this question, we do our digits expression in denominator is convert into rational number. Therefore, this process is rationalize the denominator. Now, first number is 1 upon root 7. Then, we multiply. Our denominator is root 7 by which number? We multiply root 7 by root 7 upon root 7. Therefore, 1 upon root 7 multiply. Its rational factor is root 7 upon root 7. Here, 1 into root 7 is equal to root 7 upon root 7 into root 7. Therefore, 7. Here our denominator becomes rational number. Answer is root 7 upon 7. This is 1 marks question. Now, 1 upon root 7 minus root 6. First we write 1 upon root 7 minus root 6. If we convert denominator into rational number, then we multiply which number by this expression? We multiply this number by root 7 plus minus. Here our sign is minus. Therefore, root 7 plus root 6 upon root 7 plus root 6 is multiplied by root 7 plus root 6 upon root 7 plus root 6. Clear? Denominator is root 7 minus root 6. We convert it into rational number. Therefore, it is multiplied by root 7 plus root 6 upon root 7 plus root 6. 1 multiply root 7 in plus root 6 upon root 7 minus root 6 into root 7 plus root 6. 1 multiply root 7 plus root 6 is equal to root 7 plus root 6. Here again we use which identity? We use a minus b, a plus b is equal to a square minus b square types identity. Therefore, here we write root 7 square minus root 6 square. Then root 7 plus root 6 upon root 7 square. Root 7 square is equal to 7 minus root 6 square is equal to 6. Therefore, our question answer is root 7 plus root 6 upon 1. We write denominator as 1 is not written, therefore root 7 plus root 6. It is our answer. Our answer is root 7 plus root 6. Now, question number 3. Question 5, number 3. 1 upon root 5 plus root 2. 1 upon root 5 plus root 2. Okay. Friends, we multiply which number? We convert the denominator into root rational number. Here denominator is root 5 plus root 2. Then we multiply which number by this expression? Then we multiply as root 5 minus root 2 upon root 5 minus root 2. Here sign is plus, then we write root 5 minus root 2. Then becomes our identity a plus b, a minus b, and it becomes rational number is equal to 1 into root 5 minus root 2 upon root 5 square minus root 2 square is equal to root 5 minus root 2 upon root 5 square is equal to 5 minus root 2 square is equal to 2. Here root 5 minus root 2 upon 5 minus 2, 3, which is our answer. Clear? Question number 4. Again, it's multiplied by root 5 minus root 2 upon root 5 minus root 2. Then simplify this number. Okay. 1 upon root 7 minus 2. Our denominator is root 7 minus 2. We multiply this number by which number? Yes, root 7 plus 2 upon root 7 plus 2. Then we multiply this number root 7 plus 2 upon root 7 plus 2. Correct. Now multiplication of this number, root 7 plus 2 upon. Here we write as written as 1 into root 7 plus 2, root 7 minus 2, root 7 plus equals to root 7 plus 2. Here root 7 minus 2, root 7 plus 2, using my identity becomes identity a minus b, a plus b type. Therefore, it is written as root 7 square minus 2 square is equals to root 7 plus 2 upon root 7 square is equals to 7, root 2 square, no, here number 2, 2 square is equals to 4. Therefore, root 7 plus 2 upon 7 minus 4 is equals to 3, which is our answer.